Hey guys, I hope you guys are having a good lunch, as most of you are probably going to lunch right now. But I got a cool surprise in the mail. I got a box from the gang at Hotel Transylvania 3. And so I have this huge box that I think you guys are going to really enjoy. So I'm going to share with you guys exactly what it is that we got because I'm super excited about this. So I'm going to flip the camera so you guys can kind of get an idea of what I'm looking at. So I'm going to put this over here so you guys can kind of see too what I have. Hey Myra, hey Shannon. So this is what I got in the mail. Like seriously, how cool is this? Like it's straight up like a mini coffin. I'm excited to see what's inside of it. But let's take a look. Oh goodness. Oh, very cool. Awesome. Let's see here. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, my kids are gonna throw a fit at this stuff. So this is let's see, bonus features. Learn how to create it yourself. Huh. I'll have to check and see what this is. It looks like a candle and some stuff to make. Alright. Ooh, Monster Mayhem series. Bet you there's something in here. Ooh, this looks pretty cool. We got a couple of these. I'm excited about that. See what else. Oh my goodness. I love this guy. Too bad he doesn't have like all the kids attached to him, you know what I mean? Oh my gosh. So cute. Let's see what else is in here. Oh. A colossal carving kit. Oh snap. We are gonna have fun carving out pumpkins. Super excited about this one. Cool. Let's see what else is in here. Oh! Mavis! Very cool. Spooky scuba. Limited edition. Oh my gosh. Man, you guys, I want to keep some of this stuff for myself. I don't even know if I want to give this to my kids. Maybe I'll like wrap it up for Christmas. I don't know. Let's see what it's. Oh! Hey, Mylene. Oh my gosh, the whole gang. This is so cool. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I just don't know if I want my kids to have these. I might be greedy, you guys. Might have to keep these for myself. Let's see what else is in here. Ooh, popcorn. Woohoo! Oh man. So it's on digital already, and you can get the Blu-ray Combo Pack DVD October 9th. So make sure you guys get that. We're definitely gonna pop this tonight. I got more popcorn. Anybody wants to come over, we can have a party. Let's see what else. Oh snap! We got the DVD combo. Ooh, full VR experience inside. How cool is that? Very cool. You can have your own virtual reality adventure on your phone. What? Oh my goodness. This is going to be a blast. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, wow. Oh, cool. It comes with a costume, yo. I think this is like a Mavis costume. What do you guys think? I think it is. I super think it is. And if it's an adult one, I'm packing that for myself. Let's see here. Let's see. It is a Mavis costume. Oh, look at that. It's got the ears and everything. Oh, man. Oh, man. Wow, this is like the gift that keeps on giving. There's like so much stuff in here. Ooh, stuff to make a party. Oh man, I could decorate. Oh my gosh, I could surprise the kids with a Halloween party. More popcorn. Wow, they got popcorn for days. Very cool. What's up here? Ooh. Party like to party. Monsters like to party down. This gives you like a whole bunch of stuff to do for the kids. Oh, you guys, I'm having a party. Oh, say what? Oh my goodness gracious. Y'all, these are bat wings. Oh my god. This is so cool. Bat wings. Wow. What else is in here? Oh, this is the candle stuff I was telling you guys about to make. Let's see. Ooh, straw. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, this is the stuff I showed you guys earlier. Comes with a key and collector's guide. Should be fun. There's more of them in here. We got a couple of them. A few of them here. Oh. Bonus features. Oh snap, it's vampire makeup kit. Oh my goodness. You guys, I got the whole thing up in here. Here are these. Oh cool, look at that. Pumpkin stencils of Drac and Mavis and the whole gang. I can't wait to practice. For those of you that missed it, this is my carving kit that I'm super duper excited about. Oh, we got a poster here. Let's see what this is about. Oh, it shows you kind of what it is. Like the costume that I had earlier. Oh, snap. Very cool. Might be Mavis for Halloween, y'all. And of course we have like little things that show us like different things. Like this one is a song, I think. Oh, the wolf pup. Let's sing that. Let's see what else is on here. Oh, the Macarena. Drac style. Who wants to do the Macarena, people? That's really, really cool. Let's see what else is on here. Oh, Dennis had a giant dog. Oh, I get to sing these with the kids. And the last one is the Dracu straws. Ooh. So we'll definitely have to try a couple of these and put it on the blog for you guys to see. Oh, look how cute. That looks really cute. But yeah, guys, wow, that box had a lot of stuff. I am seriously going to enjoy all these things. Maybe I will do a giveaway of these just in time for Halloween. But I know the kids are going to really enjoy this stuff, so we're going to have a good old time partying and watching Hotel Transylvania 3 on DVD. So, thanks for joining, you guys. I hope to see you guys soon, and I will check you guys later. Bye.